Okay. So I know that you are done with, you finish that
Yes.
story, but I want you to read first and then, okay, I will give you some question and then you will answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so that's good.
Different paths in the jungle. More of them is to office to not often. But the day they sleep, they always they fly at night to find the food. Many people think that's bad, cannot see bad food, but that's very good. They can find food on tree at night food, but only have one. Maybe the curry maybe for a weekend, and then it learn to fly.
Okay, so different different kinds.
Different kind.
Okay, jungle.
Jungle.
Most of them eat fruit or fish.
Mouth up,
Most
mouth up. It eat food of
fish. Okay, can you say this word again? Most,
mouth,
most, most.
mouth.
Okay, S,
S.
most. It's okay. Most. Most of them eat fruit and or fish. Okay, this one. Often.
Open.
Often see bats during the day.
Up and see bath during the day.
Bats.
Bus.
Bats.
Bus.
They sleep.
They sleep.
Okay, they always fly at night.
If
Always. Always. Always fly at night.
they fly at night.
Okay, to find their food.
Their food.
Okay, many people think that bats cannot see. Many people, you're sleepy, you're tired.
Many
No?
people, many people think that see.
Okay. Are you bored? Tired?
Bạn có mệt không?
No.
No. Maybe you are um okay, because this time is reading only. I want to hear your pronunciation, your diction. Okay, fruit bats, bat,
But
fr- fruit bats,
bus,
fruit
but bus,
have very good eyes.
very people
Okay, they can find fruit
and can fly
on trees at night.
At night.
Okay, fruit bats only
But only
have one baby.
have one baby.
Okay, the mother
The mother
carries her baby
can carry her baby
for 8 weeks.
for it,
And then
and then
it learns to fly.
it will fly.
Okay, so based on your understanding, okay, what can you say about in this paragraph? What can you say about our story? What can you say about the story? Okay, this one is I'm saying. What can you say about the story? Okay, what can you say about? Okay, what the story tells about or what the story tells about.
But very good taste. But
Again,
ha- but have very good taste.
good eyes. Okay, you said that. Okay, you said this one. The bat has very good
Taste.
eyes. Is this correct? Is this one? Yes or no? This is your answer?
Yes,
Okay, the
yes.
bat has very good eyes. Okay, that is correct. What else?
The bat had very good taste.
Okay, another. What can you say about the story? Another. Okay, how many baby of the fruit bats can carry? How many baby?
So
How many baby of the fruit bats can carry? Only? Only one. Only one baby. How many weeks? How many weeks that the mother bat can carry the baby?
the
Okay.
mother can have baby for a week.
Okay, good job for that. Another question is, okay, so what the bat eat? They eat what? They eat, they
Fish,
eat.
food, and fish.
Very good. Okay, the bat, we will say this one, okay, the, the bat eats fruit or fish. Very good, Kevin. Okay, what else can you say about the bat? The bat.
The bat,
Another. The bat.
the, you, you do not often see bats during the day. They sleep.
Because. Okay, because. All right, so that is correct also. So, okay. Oh, no. Okay, you said that the bat sleep during day, night. Okay, that is correct also. Okay, so this one is teacher can say that you understand the story, and that is the good factor. Okay. Okay. Are you happy for that? Okay. I see that you can understand and answer the question about the story. Okay, let's have another story. So before we go to okay, this one. Okay, so this time let's go to okay, please read the title, My Rainbow Monster. My Rainbow Monster.
So,
Okay, My Rainbow Monster. Okay, this one. Okay, my name's Tom. Okay, please read. And I have a friend who's called Rainbow Monster. My name's Tom.
my name's Tom, and I have a friend who called Rainbow Monster.
He
He
waits.
waits, he waits for me in the cupboard. When it's right, I open the cupboard and there he a big and happy monster who eat all the color of the rainbow.
I
I I looked at him and zoomed on his back. He said, I we do you want to day Tom? And I always say, you
you
too.
ch- Okay, so the rainbow. Okay, My Rainbow Monster. So this is the Rainbow Monster. The friend of what? The friend of his boy. Who is this? What name? What name? What is the name of this boy? This one is it's Tom. Okay, and this is Rainbow Monster. All right, so that is correct. That is good. Next is, can you say cupboard?
Couple,
Cupboard.
couple,
Monster.
monster,
Monster.
monster,
Monster.
monster,
Okay. And um colors.
color,
Colors.
color,
Okay. So Rainbow Monster is Tom's friend, right?
monster, something.
Okay, to find his friend, Tom find his friend in the what?
In the
Cup.
cupboard
Okay, in the cupboard when it rains.
when it rains.
What color is the rainbow monster? What is the color? What colors is the rainbow monster? So when we say rainbow, there's a lot of color. Rainbow? Okay. Can you name? Okay, what are the
Orange.
orange? Okay, so rainbow is many color. Okay, next. Where does the rainbow monster live? No, 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 that's not the question. Okay, so this one. All right. Okay, so what can you say about this paragraph? Okay, what can you say about this paragraph? What can you say? What can you say about this in this paragraph?
Tom have a friend color rainbow monster.
Okay, so they are friend. They are best friend. Rainbow Monster and Tom.
And John.
Okay. So this one. Last week, last week,
Last week we flew to a beautiful island. The weather was hot and sunny. We
okay,
went swimming.
was
Was
sunny.
hot, was hot, sunny.
We went
We went
swimming.
swimming with big dolphin.
Okay.
We ate moon food and in the
Evening,
evening we
we
danced
dance
on the beach under under the star. Then we
stars.
made
Stars.
stars.
Okay.
Then we went home because I was tired and hungry.
The
Hey,
rainbow monster said, when I went to bed, take this box. Take this box.
where is Bob?
Take this box.
Where take a spot.
Take
Take
this
this
box.
spot.
I found it on the island.
I found a challenge.
Okay, next. Don't open it now. It open it in the morning.
Opening it in the morning.
Okay, so this is Tom and Rainbow monster. Okay. So when they went into the beautiful island. Okay, the weather was hot, so they have here at the beach with the dancing pink dolphin. Okay, swimming with pink dolphin. Okay, they are both
Rainbow monster.
happy. Okay, this one is Sunny. Sunny. Okay, they eat
Sunny.
what? What did they eat? They eat
There is Moonfoot.
moon fruit.
Moonfoot.
Okay, so that is okay. On Monday, we will go on movers 3. We will try that because I see that you are done with movers 2. Okay? Are you ready for the movers 3?
Yes.
Okay, good job for that. Okay, but today I will give you this one. This is my rewards. This is my present for you today. And okay, let me find. Where is it? Here, 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 here. Okay. So today, this is my reward for you.
Yes. Amen for you.
Okay, okay. This is your food today. Do you like it?
Donut.
Oh wow. Do you like this donut?
Yes.
Okay, very much. Okay, and I will give you, of course, this one. You have wow,
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Very good job. And okay, wait, hold on. And dun 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 dun. So this. Okay, next meeting we are um in the new book. Book 3. Okay? Thank you for that. See you
See
next
you.
week.
See you
Bye-bye.
next. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Good night.